Green Hydraulic Power is a manufacturer of hydraulic power units equipped with variable frequency drives. We control the speed of the motors, reducing the speed from 1750 RPMs to 300, thereby saving energy, reducing noise, creating less heat, building smaller footprints. In heavy-duty industries, there's a machine process where someone might be loading and unloading equipment or blanks. And in between that loading and unloading, there is dwell time. Conventional systems will run at full speed all the time, 24/7. We down throttle or spin down the equipment to 300 RPMs, lowering it when pressure and flow is not required. That will save a lot of energy, in many cases up to 80% energy.
All our machines are typically powered by hydraulic. Metal forming is all about power. We need a lot of power to push metal. For green hydraulic power, we use a servo motor to drive the pump. So if we are moving the slides or forming stuff, we use the power. But when it's idling, we're basically down to maybe a 2 or 3% utilization of it. From that, we have a tremendous amount of energy savings, noise reduction. We don't generate heat. Wear and tear is much, much lower.
The drive is the computer that enables us to program the recipes for whatever industrial manufacturing process we have to match. The FANUC drive is the heart of the technology, and we have come to learn that these FANUC drives are very flexible, unlimited, very easy to program, and has been a breeze to work with.
Green Hydraulic Power uses the FANUC servo and drive, and a combination of either an integrated control through our 31IB5 CNC on a full FANUC machine, or the ability to interface a FANUC green hydraulic solution to a third party through our Power Motion solution. It gives you the flexibility of either tying it into a full FANUC solution. The advantage of that is when it's full FANUC, you have the ability to do diagnostics. There's a lot of data passing between the green hydraulic system, so it's great for troubleshooting.
Once your machine is in a shop with, say, 10, 20, or 30 hydraulic power units, they usually have that aha moment. It's quiet, and there's less energy usage. It will become the standard. All the hydraulic power units out there will be equipped with variable frequency drive as we move forward.